You can also print a project file or the different view in this project for your own record or for reporting purpose. In MS Project, it's so easy for you to print out multiple pages than you really need. So here are some techniques you need to know to print your project. From the view you want to print, for example, this table entry view with the Gantt chart, you can go to File and Print. It will first give you the print preview. This print includes 4 pages. The first page only shows part of the table view, and if you move to the next page, it shows the last column for the table as well as part of the Gantt chart, and then you move to the next page, part of the Gantt chart as well, and the last page, almost a blank page. Obviously, this print does not look very nice and it's not user-friendly either. So one thing we need to do is to fit this print nicely in one page. You can go to Page Setup, and on the Page tab, you can fit this print in 1 page wide by 1 page tall, and you can click OK here. Now it looks much better. You have the table view on one side and you have the complete Gantt chart fit nicely in the other half, and you have the legend at the lower part. If you're happy on this view, you can go ahead and choose the printer and print it out. But you may also notice that there is a lot of information shown in a table and in the Gantt chart. This makes the content of this page really wide. If you fit it in one page, it will show tiny little font size, and there's also a white space wasted here. You may want to print out the table view separate from the Gantt chart. Go back to the project file. And first, we want to print the table view. You can move the splitter all the way to the right to close out the Gantt chart. And now do a File, Print to see the print preview. It seems like the table, although fit in one page, it looks too small. You can go to Page Setup again. If fit to 1 page wide and 1 page tall does not look good on your screen, you can consider to use adjust to a percentage of the normal size. We can make it, for example, 80% and click OK. This works better, and we can try 95% and it's fit even better. Couple of other things you can do with Page Setup. You can change the margins on the top, bottom, left, and right. You can do header. For example, you want to give a title for your printout report. You can provide a title like Figure 1 Project Table View. And you can also set up the folders. Currently it shows page number, and if you want to add the date, you can go ahead and insert current date and click OK. So now it shows the title on the top, and at the bottom it shows the page number as well as the current date. From here, if you want to print it out, you can choose one of the physical printers your computer connected to and send it to print. But if you're not connected to a printer, or in some other case you want to make a finished printed look in PDF document, you can do that too. If you have Acrobat Adobe Pro installed on this computer, in your printer list you should find Adobe PDF. You can choose that one to print into a PDF document. Otherwise, if you don't have this program, you can download and install Qt PDF. After you installed this program, you will see a Qt PDF writer as one of the items in this printer list. So you can choose this one and print. It will give you the Save As box, and you can also change the name here. This is my mobile reporting project table view. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Now here is the completed PDF print you got from your project. Next, we're going to print the Gantt chart. So use the arrow, go back to the project file. Now let's pull out the Gantt chart, move the splitter all the way to here so we can show the Gantt chart as well as the task name. And then we're going to do File, Print to see a print preview. And this time, definitely use the Page Setup to fit to 1 page wide, 1 page tall. This is the look of it. It currently fits nicely in 1 page. Of course, you should go to Page Setup again. Header, we're going to update the header information. This is figure 2 project Gantt chart. And we also have some options for the legends. You can choose to show legends every page, or you can print a separate legend page or show non-legend at all. For example, this one, I don't need the legend, and click OK. So this will give you an even bigger view. Now again, choose Qt PDF or Adobe PDF as your printer and hit the print button to print it as another PDF file. Remember to update the file name so you will recognize each of the prints later. You can do the same for the other table view when you switch the tables to cost, to schedule, and have all the prints fit nicely in one page with a clear title on the top.